Hey, what's up, Politis fam? How you guys doing today? So today, I'm finally relaxed. I finished doing my list of my item on my eBay store. I did 36 items I listed on my eBay. I'm so tired. I'm finally done for that. So right now I'm just chill. I'm smelling my politest wife's cooking. She's cooking right now, so I can't wait to go eat. And you know what? Let's go. Let's go check it out. Let's go see what politest wife is cooking for dinner for tonight. So.
Oh, nice, son. Cut shrimp. Beautiful. Get some corns and office. That's my little office right here. Mm. Those are some stuff that I'm gonna put it today. Yeah, it'll wait. Those are my shipping supplies. There, all my shipping supplies. Got some stuff right here. All my items are in here on this box. All the stuff are in here too. So yeah, all my supplies. I was watching some YouTube earlier. Nice. That's my LED light. My little office. I'm taking a break today. I'll be working 20 like crazy. Yeah. Wife making some dinner. Love it.
Man, she really cooks. She cooks some good food, some bomb food. Mmm. Mmm. Here's shrimp. Woo. It's good. Mmm. You work hard, you eat hard. Mmm. Mmm. Some sausage. Chicken sausage. Mmm. Mmm. Potato. Mmm. Perfect. Perfect. I'm hungry because I didn't eat this whole day. I didn't take a break. I was too busy listing my eBay items on my eBay store. So, man, the food is good. The food is good. Mm. Oh, yeah, look at that. Mm. And don't worry, I already washed my hands before I eat. You know, our I'm Samoan. In our culture, man, back home, we don't use spoon wheel. Man, we eat with our hands. Mm. Mm. Man, I'm hungry. Wow. Want some soup? Hmm. Oh, you know when you are so hungry, you don't eat the whole day, or you go to work and you don't, take a lunch or whatever. You don't want to take a lunch or anything, and you come home and you're hungry. Ah, and your wife would cook some big dinner for you, and you're starving. Mm, you know, that's the best time to eat when you were so hungry. If you don't eat the whole day, you wait until dinner time to eat. Tell me that's the best time to eat. So that's it. I'm full. Thank you, Jesus, for the food. Thanks the wife for the cooking. But anyways, that's our video for tonight. I know it's a short video. I didn't upload any video today, or because I was so busy today doing my listing, excuse me, sorry, listing my items on my eBay store. So I'm done with. I finally done, and now I'm, full, finished dinner, and time for me to go to sleep. Anyways, thank you, Politis fam. Thank you for supporting our channel and our video. May God bless you. And if you before you go, or before we go, before we say good night, please like our video, comment on our video, and share our video, and please subscribe our video, our channel. All right, and please press that that little bell on the side. Press that so you can get a notification every time we load our video. But anyways, thank you guys. We love you, the Politis fam. We love you guys. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for watching our video. May God bless.